Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be scrapping AC adapters or power adapter for copper. So let's scrap it. So this is how I break into my power adapters. Easy. Just give that a squeeze. Nope, it's opened. And then, oops, shaking the whole camera. And this is what you're gonna find in your AC adapter. So you got the transformer here and the relay, the power relay right here. So that's the copper in here, and the rest I'm not gonna scrap them out. That's just the capacitor, just capacitors in here, and a little bit of aluminum, but that's what I'm here for. So let's do it. So the transformer, so what I do, I pull it all out of the plastic casing. Sometimes a little bit stubborn to take out, but just give it a little force, it will come out. That's the first little copper, and the other one, that's the transformer. So take it in and just give it a little twist. Now we got 3 stages to go with this. So we got to break into it, take off the transformer, and then take off the copper out of it. Sometimes I will use a hammer if it's easier, but I find using this is easier for me. So whichever you feel comfortable with. So with this one we got some aluminum. Okay, this one is a little bit stubborn. Okay. So that's the aluminum. More ali. Then this is the transformer here. Break it open. That's it. Some of them is a little difficult because they got so much stuff in between them. And so I just take a little flathead screwdriver and pop it out, just like this. And the rest, got some wires. Grab the wire. This is just the capacitors and iron on a little circuit board. And we got different adapters. So this one is laptop ones, and this one is just like normal ones for AC units. Okay, let's pop it out. This transformer is a bigger one. This one is bigger. I have to take off all the iron around it to get through the copper. It's always fun squeezing and bashing things around stress, getting all your stress out. Okay. Just get a little flat head screwdriver. Oh yeah, make sure you have gloves and make sure you have eye safety, because they got lots of bits flying when you trying to take the stuff apart. Safety first. See, some of them will be a little bit difficult, but wiggle around it, it will break free. There we go. Okay, so this one had a little screw in here. So this is a little bit of copper here. That's why they call it micro scrapping, because it's so tiny and you have to collect a lot to get some good weight. Well, this one is strong. This one has some type of screw you cannot get into it, so you'll give it a little bash. I try to rest it down for safety. I custom of holding it in my hands to bash it, so make sure you put it down so you're not going to hurt your hand. Oh, not yet. If you got one of these, let's open it up. And then give it a bash. There we go. That's a nice transformer. The copper is in here. We're gonna have to clean it. Oh yeah. The laptop ones is easy to open. I'll do this last one and I'm gonna speed up until I get to our next interesting one. This one is one I've never opened before, so I'll say we're gonna open it together and see what's in there. And instead of showing you unscrewing everything, I have one right here to show you what's in here. So as you can see, they got this big transformer here. They got some more copper wire here, some more here, and more here. You get the chief. Oh yeah, copper. So as I said, this got free process. Take it out from the case and then rip it out from the circuit board, and then after you have to sit down and unspool all the copper wirings out of the metal things here. Nice copper. It's easy. Let's give it a twist. Okay, that's gone. Just a little stubborn. Just get the little pliers and just cut the wires underneath here. Oh, that is aluminum. I will clean it up later. So, as you can see, they got some layers of copper in between the tape. Let's scrub it out. So yeah, just giving you a quick breakdown of how I have to go through to take off the copper wire in here. So you see them little pieces when you're breaking it, that's why you need to have your eye goggles on. Safety comes first. Okay. There's a lot of tape you have to go through. And the more tape you go into, the more the copper wire will be a little bit more and more. But I'm not going to go into it. So all of these, sorry, you have to break the metal in here, and then all of this will be nice. Right, oops. So here we go. Let's take it off from this, and then yeah, some nice copper here. So let's speed this up. this one is a PS2 power supply, and that's how it looks inside. Lots of copper. Yeah. Nice, very nice. Bright, very bright copper. Oh yeah, when you're scrapping out stuff, especially when they have capacitors, you have to be careful how you touch them, because you know capacitors still hold power in them, so you have to be careful you don't get a shock. So yeah, after scrapping all of these adapters, as you can see, we find some copper, the transformer where I have to go into it and take off the copper inside of here, so that'll be another job. And you'll find aluminum and lots of copper lots of copper motors, or they call it transformers. So yeah, you can get copper and aluminum, so you can get two, well, three, because they got metal in there too. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.